everybody, we're back for another video, and as I was sitting down and journaling this morning, I'm actually at home sick after a very busy couple of weeks of concerts and teaching. I'm home sick, but I'm actually kind of glad because I had a wonderful package arrive today. Actually, I had two little packages. One of them, if you see this, you can tell it's from Foxy Fix. And the one I'm cutting the tape on right now is actually from an artist here on YouTube. Her name is Baylee Jae. And I ordered one of her little enamel pins. Oops. So that is her little avatar sticker that she created. And let's see what we got. Oh, she included a couple of cute little things. So this I didn't order. That's a cute little kitty. There's her card. And this is what I ordered. She calls it a bun bun, and it's a mermaid. And goodness gracious. It's a large enough one that it has two of those little clasps on the back. And look at that. It's a cute little bunny mermaid. I just thought it was cute, so I wanted to add it to my collection of little enamels and see how it's like all sparkly in the enamel. Very cute. I think this is a B, she called it a B grade. I'm not sure why, but it looks really cute. So, let me put that away because that was all I got. Just a a little $6 or $7 enamel pin, but that's so cute. Okay, so I was journaling and I was about ready to use some of my Arteza brushes. I did a video on these the other day. These are the twin markers or twee markers, and they've got a brush nib. I'm learning to brush pen, and then on the other side it has a fine liner. And they are quite fun to play with. And so these are some of my favorite colors. And what I love about them is they actually have the color and the number on it. So this is Sienna Brown A109. And they're like real color names. They're not like made up color names. Yellow Ochre A204. This one is Olive Green. This one is Earth Red. And then this one I think is Sage. Yeah, Sage Green. So I love that you can actually see the color inside. And it even says what they are. So I have this huge, I want to say maybe 48 pack that I got from them. And they're fun. So let me pack up my fake Giglio. And let's see what we have inside of this gold mystery pouch. I didn't know there was going to be a mystery sale. I just realized I'm using my really good scissors to cut something harsh and metallic. I didn't know they were okay. So first things first, I got a leather sample of French lavender. It's actually a really pretty color. So I ordered a number 6 compact and a single elastic, and I ordered a number 6 like either a compact or wide. And let's see what's we got. Oh, and of course you always get 2 business cards for Foxy Fix, and then the invoice. And they normally don't tell you what the leather is. You kind of have to go around and guess. But these two, I can totally tell what they are. So the first one, which I will take out of the plastic, this is what looks like to me, the Wildflower Sedona. And that is beautiful. It's a number 6 single elastic with is that white or is it like a slight, maybe it is white. White? I can't tell if it's white or like a slight gray. With white elastic, and it has the pockets, the card pockets, so it'll fit a business card that way, or a couple that way, and the secretarial pockets. That is a very, very pretty notebook. And it has the complimentary pen loop. I'm not a big fan of these. I never have been. I know some people love them, but I just, I'm not a fan. Very pretty. Then, this one right here, this is a compact because it has 4 elastics. If it had 6, it would be a wide. But this is in the, it's that mint color. And look how, oh my goodness, it has a little gold paw print. That's adorable. It's not one of my favorite colors, but I could see using it. I could see using it. It's kind of like a baby blue, green, mint color. I think it is one of the sugar leathers, like that blueberry that I have. Oh, there, you might not have been able to see. Look how adorable that is. So, right now I have my journal in my pen, in the fake Giglio that I got from the wonderful Olga. And I think all of this stuff would fit in both of these notebooks. One thing I wondered is I thought that they would have included like a jump band elastic, but they didn't. So there you go. I'm not going to take that stuff out yet because I'm not sure how I want to use these, but I'm really, really pleasantly surprised with what I got. And I think they recently had a sale on these, or at least on this leather series. And so I wonder if that's why. I've seen a few of these come up in the sale, and so that makes me wonder if this could be a leather line that could be going away because it's fall, but I think more people that buy Foxys are drawn to leathers like this. Oh, here, let me close the elastic so you can see. See, I'm just not a fan of those oh, and this one has a reinforced spine because of the type of leather it is. It's a little bit thinner. And so they do that to give the notebook a little bit more structure. So, there you go. And actually, those are so cute. They go so nice with that. I'm probably nowhere near the center of the screen. I'm using a different setup today. Since I'm feeling a little under the weather, I didn't want to get my everything out. There we go. Just a quick little unboxing so you can see some of the cute things I got. I will link Baylee down below. Let me make sure, am I still running? Yeah. I will link Baylee down below, and I will link Foxy Fix down below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.